Oh my gosh, guys, look at this new filter.
Wow, let's try it. What's ABEC? Let's go find out.
For over 45 years, ABEC has been focused on providing customized process solutions and services for the development and manufacturing of pharmaceutical products. Currently, ABEC is specializing in single-use container solutions. Single-use bags increase productivity and efficiency while cutting down on cost and time. Just like a crockpot liner, the single-use bag can be easily removed after each mixture is produced and will leave behind a sterile surface ready for the next batch. Not only is ABEC the leader in single-use solutions, but they are the manufacturer of the largest single-use bioreactor on the market today. ABEC is a very successful company thanks to the dedication and innovation of their workforce. It's the employees that make ABEC an industry leader and, most importantly, create a welcoming and caring family environment. Let's listen to what the experts have to say.
I'm Gianna Jara. I graduated from Lehigh University with a degree in bioengineering. I found ABEC at the career fair at Lehigh, so I toured the place. I did a lot of laboratory research, so I have a lot of laboratory experience that I was able to apply here at ABEC.
My name is John Melcher, and my job title is Cleanroom Manufacturing Technician. The most interesting part of my job is we're always building new things, something different. We are custom, and we can cater to what the customer needs. We make the world a bit of a healthier place by, being able to mass produce these vaccines so large populations can stay vaccinated.
My name is Vince Patriarco. I am the DC operations engineer here at Bethlehem. I'm actually a stage 4 cancer survivor. Technology like this is the reason why I'm alive. It's been one of my goals throughout my life to always give back to the community. A company like this gives me the opportunity to be able to make an actual difference in the world.
ABEC and their employees are a shining example of what makes the manufacturing industry in the Lehigh Valley among the best in the world.
Guys, come check this out.
And that's what's so cool about manufacturing.